How to create spotlight effect in Premiere Pro. It is very simple task. Let's start. Make a new sequence in dimension of 1920 and 1080. Now type any text on layer 2. For example, I type Spotlight Effect. Set the text alignment and set the suitable font. Prominent text, we can change the color of text, just like light can be red. On next step, we will make the duplicate of text layer. You can see one more layer has been added on track V3. We will hide the layer V3 and will apply Lumetri color on layer V2, which is lower layer. We will decrease the value of exposure, -2.5 approximately. You can see its light shade has been dull. Now you can activate the upper layer, V3. On second major step, we will apply mask effect of V3, which is upper layer and brighter than lower layer, will adjust the mask location and make its edges soft. We will set this on starting point on left side and set keyframes. This will be its initial and starting point. Now we will move mask on right side. An auto keyframe generate on midpoint, where our cursor was located. We will import a video background and set under these two layers. Our task has been completed. We hope this trick will be helpful for you in making titles or text animation. Keep in touch with us for further informatic videos. Thanks for watching.